Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the chest x-ray, various pathologies that we can appreciate from the chest x-ray. But first of all, we should know the normal anatomy, the normal structures that can be seen in the chest x-ray. First of all, the basic concept is that the x-ray in an x-ray, the air can be seen as black portion. The black portion is all about the air, and the white portion, you can see the white portion can be the muscles, can be the bone structures, can be the blood vessels, can be the heart, any soft tissue structures. Any soft tissues can be seen as white, any bones can be seen as white, but the air is always seen as black color. So to appreciate the trachea in a chest x-ray, the trachea contains the air. So trachea will have some black spots, black rings, and in between the white cartilages, here you can see, here you can appreciate, in between the white cartilages there are some black spots. So this is the trachea. And also the lungs will appear black. All around the lungs will appear black, and this white portion is the heart. And we all know, and you should know, that the heart should be about half of the diameter of the heart should be the half of the thoracic diameter, which means the cardiothoracic diameter should be less than the ratio, cardiothoracic ratio should be less than 0.5. And here the structures are written. I am showing you by zooming. Here is the aortic knob. You can see in a normal chest x-ray you can never see the bronchus, because the bronchus will be appreciable only when there will be some pathology. So the bronchus cannot be seen. If there is some lymph node, that can be seen. Here is the right paratracheal stripe, aortic knob, pulmonary artery, pulmonary trunk. In case of pulmonary edema, I will show you a chest x-ray where there is pulmonary edema and the pulmonary trunk is whitish in color and the pulmonary trunk is clearly visible. Okay, so let us go to some of the pathology. This is the lateral view. You can see the borders. There are left atrium border, right atrium border. So let me show you some pathological diagram. Here you can see the mitral valve calcification. If the mitral valve is calcified, we can appreciate it very clearly. In here, you see there is an arrow mark. There is mitral valve calcification. Here also, this line is drawn. Above this line is drawn from the carina, from the point where the bronchus are dividing into the right bronchus and the left bronchus, up to the left border of the right border of the heart. So this line determines the position of the valve. Above this line we can see the tricuspid. Below this line we can see the mitral valve and the tricuspid valve, but above this line we will see the semilunar valves and the aortic valves. Okay, so this is the line which differentiates the valves. So this is the mitral valve. You can see the mitral valve is calcified in this structure, in this chest x-ray. Here in the normal chest x-ray there is no calcification inside the heart. You can see there is no calcification in the left side because mitral valve is located almost here.